first things first, just like every other craft you would do, get your materials ready first. In this case, you're going to need a small pine cone. You can get a big one too if you want, but you're going to need to make sure that pine cone can fit in some kind of clay pot. Next, you're going to need some kind of green paint, and you're just going to paint the pine cone. Some spots can be kind of tricky because you have to dig deep into it, but it looks good when you finish, so if you want to do this craft, then do it. Right here, I'm just making a sped up clip of me painting the pine cone because this took me about 10 minutes. Yeah, so if you like this video, please leave a like on it, and if you would be ever so kind, please subscribe. Here I took a toothbrush and put white paint on it. You can use anything that you want. I find that white paint works very well. Then you're just going to want to scrape your finger across the toothbrush, and it'll add flakes of snow onto the pine cone. You don't have to do it, but it's a pretty cool addition, and it makes it look very snowy and like a real Christmas tree. Here I'm just gonna paint the pot whatever color I want, and I chose a light blue. And then I'm gonna also cover it in snow just for that sweet effect. I'm going to cut out the ribbon. I'm going to put it on the edge of the pot. You can really do this however you want. I'm going to show off the example of my brother's that he made, and then I'm going to show off mine. I am going to glue on the ribbon with the hot glue gun. Just be careful with this part. Cut around the edges so it's more even. Now for the most important part, I am gluing on the pine cone tree. Gotta put a star on top. Last thing you have to do is glue on some ornaments. You may notice me blowing on the hot glue because that actually makes it go dry quicker.